Hello guys, what's up? It's me, MedTech Rider. For today's video, I am going to show you what I looked when sitting my Yamaha Xsr 155. As you can see my feet, it's tiptoe. It's very uncomfortable in heavy traffic situations, and also in uneven road conditions. So, here's my solution. First, wear a motorcycle riding boots, and put some additional paddings. My boots are a little bit higher now. My solution number 2 is, I lowered the front shocks, or front forks. I lowered it for 1 inch. I have another video tutorial on how to lower the front shocks of Yamaha Xsr 155, I will put the video link in the description below. I don't recommend installing the lowering kit, especially when you have a back ride, the rear tire will destroy your underseat. That's all what I did. I'm comfortable now driving my Xsr even on heavy traffic. This is my daily workhorse. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.